Hey everybody, RGV Shelby here. Going to take a quick look, get you some troubleshooting tips on some of the headlights we have here. This headlight was sent in from a customer from California. He's stating that the DRL does not come on. This DRL is not modified, so it's a simple power and ground. So very easy to check. We sent the gentleman some troubleshooting steps. Guess he wasn't able to complete it, so he went ahead and just sent in the whole headlight for us to take a look at. So let's take a look at it real quick. Now on this headlight in particular, he does have the RS harness, conversion harness on there. So first thing we do is check the connections. These are nice and solid. So we have power and ground. Let's try to flip the switch here, and we're getting no output. So the next thing we're going to do is check our connections here, and as you can see, we do have a lot of corrosion in that connector. So we're going to clean it out. We're going to use a little bit of QD electronic cleaner. Clean it out, see if that helps it out. And as always, we always recommend that you use some of this dielectric grease. Permatex is one company. A few companies make this. You can pick it up at any auto parts store. $4, and it protects your investment, keeps any of that corrosion out, because on these LEDs, they operate anywhere between 5 to 12 volts. So any type of corrosion will knock that voltage down and make them operate incorrectly. So let's clean this up and we'll take another look at it. Okay, so we tried cleaning it just on the outside. Unfortunately, we had to unpin it. As you can see how much corrosion has got in there. Once that corrosion works its way in on these pins, first thing it goes to is to the wire. And you can see this wire here is pretty much corroded. Once it gets inside there and in this insulation, it's going to work its way up. So more than likely our issue is going to be this wire here. So we'll replace it and test it again. Okay, so here you go. We replaced the wire, spliced it back in. Got our new pin, new wire, ground hooked up. And let's see how it goes here. And we have light again. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and finish this harness back up, get it done. Like I said, it's important. We do offer some troubleshooting steps. Had the gentleman follow the troubleshooting steps, he could have saved himself some time, because we could have just sent him a new harness. He could have swapped it out and been done with it. Wouldn't have to take the car apart. Unfortunately, now it's down probably at least a week or so. But like I said, one of the important things is this could have all been alleviated had he used the dielectric grease that we recommend. So once again, use the grease. It helps you. Also, on some extreme cases, this could actually void your warranty if we have extreme cases of corrosion. So make sure you keep it clean, dielectric grease. And any questions, just email us or contact us, Instagram, Facebook. Thank you.